In this video, we'll take a high-level look at SQL. SQL is a bit different from the other two languages we have covered so far. This is the fifth video in the data science series. We are very happy to have you with us as you start your data science journey. I am Anand Thirumanur. Did someone send you this video? Please feel free to thank them for sharing a fully free data science course. Kindness is free. Be kind and do text your friends about this course. In this channel, we'll introduce a comprehensive list of tasks the data scientist needs to perform and will be providing hands-on training on our programming languages. Everything here is for free. We also help with placement assistance for a small fee. Let's get learning with top tech gurus. First off, it's formally produced SQL, although me and a lot of other people say SQL. While the acronym stands for Structured Query Language, many people do not consider SQL to be like other software development languages because it's a non-procedural language and its scope is limited to querying and managing data. While it's not a data science language per se, data scientists regularly use it because it's simple and powerful. Another couple of neat facts about SQL: it's much older than Python and R by about 20 years. Having first appeared in 1974. This language is useful in handling structured data, that is, the data incorporating relations among entities and variables. SQL was designed for managing data in relational databases. Here, you can see a diagram showing the general structure of a relational database. A relational database is formed by a collection of two-dimensional tables, for example, data sets, Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, etc. Each of these tables is then formed by a fixed number of columns and any number of rows. But even though SQL was originally developed for use with relational databases, because it's so pervasive and easy to use, SQL interfaces for many NoSQL and big data repositories have also been developed. The SQL language is subdivided into several language elements, including clauses, expressions, predicates, queries, and statements. So what makes SQL great? Knowing SQL will help you do many different jobs in data science, including business analyst, data analyst, and it is a must in data engineering. When performing operations with SQL, you can access the data directly. There is no need to copy it beforehand. This can speed up workflow executions considerably. SQL is the interpreter between you and the database. SQL is an American National Standards Institute or ANSI standard, which means if you learn SQL and use it with one database, you will be able to easily apply that SQL knowledge to many other databases. There are many different SQL databases available, including MySQL, IBM DB2, PostgreSQL, Apache OpenOffice Base, SQLite, Oracle, MariaDB, Microsoft SQL Server, and much more. The syntax of the SQL you write might change a little bit based on the relational database management system you're using. If you're looking to learn SQL, you would be best served to focus on a specific relational database and then plug into the community for that specific platform. While many modern industries have geared their product management with NoSQL, SQL remains the ideal choice for many CRM, business intelligence tools, and in-office operations. Many database platforms are modeled after SQL. This is because it has become a standard for many database systems. As a matter of fact, modern big data systems like Hadoop, Spark make use of SQL for maintaining relational database systems and processing structured data. Do you know how important Hadoop is for data science? While Hadoop started with Java APIs, later Hadoop provided features for batch SQL through Hive. We also use Impala and Apache Drill to provide interactive query capabilities for Hadoop. On the other hand, Apache Spark uses powerful in-memory SQL to accelerate the processing of queries. Furthermore, in order to become a data scientist, knowledge of SQL is a must. Many interview questions of data science start with SQL queries. Therefore, SQL is essential for data science. There are also many great introductory SQL courses on the internet available. Utilize one of them or just stay tuned for our videos. Do you have any feedback on how our videos are? Please comment below. Did you know that YouTube uses artificial intelligence to suggest your next video? If I may request, please follow the Top Tech Gurus channel for the YouTube algorithm to suggest more data science videos to you.